MS Word shortcut keys. 1. Ctrl plus A, select all contents of the page. 2. Ctrl plus B, bold highlighted selection. 3. Ctrl plus C, copy selected text. 4. Ctrl plus D, font options. 5. Ctrl plus E, align selected text or line to the center. 6. Ctrl plus F, open find box. 7. Ctrl plus G, find and replace options. 8. Ctrl plus H, find and replace options. 9. Ctrl plus I, italicize highlighted selection. 10. Ctrl plus J, justify paragraph alignment. 11. Ctrl plus K, insert link. 12. Ctrl plus L, align selected text or line to the left. 13. Ctrl plus M, indent the paragraph. 14. Ctrl plus N, open new or blank document. 15. Ctrl plus O, open options. 16. Ctrl plus P, open the print window. 17. Ctrl plus Q, align selected paragraph to the left. 18. Ctrl plus R, align selected text or line to the right. 19. Ctrl plus S, save the document. 20. Ctrl plus T, hanging indent. 21. Ctrl plus U, underline highlighted selection. 22. Ctrl plus V, paste. 23. Ctrl plus W, close document. 24. Ctrl plus X, cut selected text. 25. Ctrl plus Y, redo the last action performed. 26. Ctrl plus Z, undo last action. 27. F1, open help. 28. F4, repeat last action performed Word 2000 plus. 29. F7, spell check selected text and or document. 30. F12, save as. 31. Shift plus F3, change case of selected text. 32. Shift plus F7, activate the thesaurus. 33. Ctrl plus Alt plus 1, change text to heading 1. 34. Ctrl plus Alt plus 2, change text to heading 2. 35. Ctrl plus Alt plus 3, change text to heading 3. 36. Ctrl plus 1, single space lines. 37. Ctrl plus 2, double space lines. 38. Ctrl plus 5, 1.5 line spacing. 39. Ctrl plus del, delete word to right of cursor. 40. Ctrl plus backspace, delete word to left of cursor. 41. Ctrl plus home, move cursor to beginning of document. 42. Ctrl plus end, move cursor to end of document.